Good morning, all. Today is the 20th of October. We got in here, bought the pullback at 53. Just trying to scalp it because right now the market is very, very, very narrow today. I think on the daily, the range is about 55 cents right now, and opening is going to be here in about 2 seconds. So I was hoping to scalp it and get 10 cents or so out of it, but I didn't. But I still got my target here, so now open hits, so hopefully it doesn't sell off and take me out. So I got about 2 cents risk here. Looks like it's going to take me out here soon, so if that happens, I'll just wait for the next opportunity. There we go, hit me out. Alright, well, that's fine. I lost 2 ticks there. Very, very narrow. I was expecting this to blast through this highs here, but didn't do that. So we will see. I think there may be some selling here, a false break. Might wait for this 32 area. I'll pause the video and I'll come right back for when I get another one. Alright, back. Got in at 43 here, and I'm just scalping. Right now it's very narrow range, so adjusting my targets as well, just to make a little bit of money in the market here. 43, got in right here on the break, expecting around this area, 33, 32. There was buyers here earlier, so I figured that they might flip this around and buy off of this pullback, forming this base. So we'll see. I think I might have got the area that I purchased from might not be so good. I haven't had a good day the past few days, just because it's a very narrow range, and one thing is just I haven't been feeling good for the past 2 weeks. My allergies just killing me, so I might get stopped out here. It's okay. It's a 5 tick risk to make 10 ticks, so I can live with that as long as I can maintain a 2-to-1 risk reward. I'll be alright. ATRs for the bars are about 5 ticks, so I think my risk is okay. I'm playing the 1 minute chart anyway, so let's see, this one's peaked up at 46, so we have 48, 2 cents above that. Should be alright. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. It is what it is. So yeah, that might be a rollover short here. If it breaks this low, then might be a good good opportunity here. We'll see. I guess I'll be right. Oh well, I was gonna pause the video here, but I might get there here soon. I think I'm gonna move my stop here to there, so maybe 1 tick above that. It's just been narrow. So I guess I'll talk about daily here. Tomorrow being Wednesday, they're going to report inventory for crude oil. and I know I'm expecting to be that inventory level to go up just because of the fact that, or I guess for the past 2 weeks, it's been going up for the past 2 weeks. And I mentioned on my previous videos that you know, this thing was just gonna wiggle in a very narrow range. It already made its move, and it wasn't gonna make. I didn't believe that it was going to make anything higher. So and it broke this low, held that as support. So now it's just trying to see if it can go lower. Surprisingly, I think this is going to be another green small day, or it's just going to test these dips right here, just because of you know, tomorrow being a Wednesday, they'll try to keep that narrow, and Wednesday should have I guess a higher volatility, just because of the inventory report. So I think that's the strategy for today, and that's one of the reasons why I adjusted my targets, just because of that fact. Just you know, try to extract as much money as you can out of the market. So you know, I guess whatever that takes, even if you have to stitch it up 10 ticks at a time, then you got to do what you got to do. But it looks like it's consolidating now. I'm looking at my 1 minute, and let's see, it's consolidating here. So you might have buyers there stepping up. So yeah, and I think that might happen right now. So if it pops here, then I'll just get out right now. 44. So yeah, looks like I'm gonna get stopped out here. I'm not moving my stop. I mean, you know, I have my risk reward set up for me. So let's see, 43. So about 4 ticks. Looking to make 10. So it's a little over 2 to 1. Pause the video for now. If I'm getting any stopped out, just don't wanna. The video takes so long to make. So and actually, my computer resources is getting eaten up here. Let's see, properties, task manager. That's why my computer is so slow with the recorder and the trading platform. As you can see, I'm at, you know, way above capacity as far as CPU usage. So I think I'm due for an upgrade here. Memory wise, it's okay. It's not much, doesn't utilize so much memory. It's just the actual CPU power. It's what's eating the capacity of my computer, and it takes so long to convert the videos. So that's why I always post late. And of course, I do it after work. So I'm doing this part-time. But my stop is still there. Looks like it's weakening here. So we'll see. For now, I guess I'll pause the video until it hits my target. It's just so dang slow. Here at 36, my target's at 33. 3 ticks, and it's giving you a hell of a hard time. Anyhow, looks like it's gonna get it there. Let's see, 35. I mean, I'm looking for that momentum to stick right there, but I said it's so narrow a range. You know, I noticed when the range are quite narrow, it tends to do this. Anyhow, I guess if I don't, for now, so this one made 43, so I'll just line to 45, 46. So I mean, if it doesn't do anything here now, then there's no sense on me holding this for. It doesn't work. So it seems like price was being supported here, suddenly broke out. So now the question that I have in my head is that, you know, is this one of those stop and run to where it'll stop everyone out, and just so, you know, someone repurchasing the price at this price and then now it shoots back up, or is it going to continue down on on its merry way. So the strategy is that, I always have my eye on, the range. Whether you realize it or not, that's what you're really doing, is you're just trading a specific range. So for this example, it's it's fairly narrow. So this is the range that you're playing with. It's really from 44 to 30, 35. So even there's 46. So about 10-cent range. And that's why I've moved my stop earlier, just because this is a very narrow range, and you're just trying to get something out of this. But we'll see what happens. I'll pause the video for now. Alright, I'm back. I don't know, it's like a few minutes later. Looks like someone's trying to act like, oh, I guess not. So, okay, alright, there you go. So I got filled there. Let me cancel this one. Second trade, lost on the first one. Hopefully this is the move that I'm expecting. I think short is the, looking at my 1 hour chart, looks like it might be a short move here, but on a narrow range, you almost want to buy at the very dead low, somewhere around here. Right now it's, what is this, 68 at 15, about 15, 14 there. So yeah, narrow is very, very, very narrow. So if you want to buy and sell at this low, you almost have to be not afraid to press the button when you get here. But like I said, there's no guarantee of is it going to get there. That's why my strategy today changed. Just try to stitch up 10 ticks at a time. So so you got bidders here at 21, try to entice people. So I think the strategy is that when they see these bids, you got these people try to front run that and try to buy it right away, and then watch, that might not even work out, and that might just cancel, and then they put their bids like maybe 10 cents lower than that. So you can see 73s are already, it was like 100 something earlier, now it's dropping out. Try to trick you, I guess, but we shall see. I am looking at a capitulation here, but we'll see where this heads. Yeah, you got 3 price levels here, acting as support. So question is, I think, would it go lower than that? And maybe I'll buy it here. Let's see. It's not really low. Alright, well, I'll pause the video. I'll be right back. Just a quick update here. So 21 got taken. So you can see, let's see, that was 19, 21 got taken, and I think it's going to continue to slide at least to the 90s level, 94 maybe. We'll see what happens here. I think that was in support to begin with. So see if I can scalp another 10 cents. See, like now, so the bid moved another 10 cents lower. Earlier it was here, so now it's showing, you know, another, oh, I got 100 contract here, so all these people are going to think that that's possible support. So what are they going to do? They'll front run it and try to buy it there, and that's probably the danger. They'll forget that, you know, right now on any time frame, you know, right now trend is down, looks like. So on the 15 minutes, looks like, you know, it looks like it's there. I don't know if it's going to use it as support, because there's another level here that I was looking at on a lower time, or a 15-minute time frame. So let me put a drawing tool here. So it's kind of looking at this area here. Let's say it's not going to bounce from this level, and I think this is maybe where capitulation would start, because you know, you got a breakout trader here waiting for it to break out so they can get in. And the problem with that, since this is so narrow, it just keeps bouncing up and down, and you know, that's, you're gonna have to pay a higher price as far as, you know, how much risk you're putting on. So today might not be a good day to play the breakout trade, just because you're absorbing a lot more risk. You're better off try to, well, at this point you try to sell the pullbacks. Anyways, looks like it's fairly slow here. I'll wait for this level 45.82, and I think 94 was also a significant value on the daily, which is what I have my eyes on. So we'll see. I think I'd rather take this long and this one, wait for a capitulation, then short. So that's my game plan today. We'll see how it's going to work out. Right now, as you can see, it's slowly grinding. So there's a range there. I'm just putting a triangle here. There's that 44, about 34. So you got about 10 cents a range. So this is going to be another range. Oops. Is that about 30? 28, 18. So yeah, you got about 10 cents there. So that one got taken out. I might get in short around this area. Might have even already missed it. Let's see. I'll sell it at 27. Well, 18 was the low, so probably not enough. Let's see. Put it at 28. So if it tests that low again, at least I got that 10 cents. I got a feeling it might test this high here, 30. So it's looking alright. Boring day today. Boring day. Alright, so I got filled, got my stop. Hopefully it didn't take me out real fast. Oh, this already did. Okay, so I'll just, I had a feeling it was going to do that. And then I'll just put in 31, so put 36. Oh, I got a better price here. 32. So I'm gonna move it to 34. So just 2 ticks above this 2 highs here. So if it goes out, I don't want to be in it anymore. We'll see. Yeah, that's the tricky part about sideways action. It's like you'd think you're following a trend, and then you're not really following a trend. It just goes all the way up, goes all the way down, all the way up, all the way down. And sometimes it's difficult to know if that's actually trending or not trending. But see, we're at the 8 o'clock hour now, 8:20. So for what, the past 6 hours is just in this range. So that should be the clue. That should be the clue to determine whether you're in the range or not. So right now, let's try to break this 32. Got it at 31. So yeah, I'll keep it at 34 right now. Do I get stopped out here? I did. Alright, well, so that's that. I think it might shoot up here now. Anyways, I guess I'll sit on my hands until the next opportunity. We gotta look for the next opportunity here. Okay, took another trade here. It's just been boring, grinding sideways. Got in it. I think at this. Let's see, what is it? I think it was this wick right here, this red wick. Tried it at. I think that filled at 45. Took a little bit of heat. So now it's waiting for this thing to take off. Hopefully breaks the London session high here. It's like 69, so I'm just trying to front run it by a penny. On that, you shall see. I think this thing already hit 56, so I'll move this to I'll move it to there. Actually, oh, it's not good. 44. So I'll move it at 43. Oh, I think I might even, yeah, just put it 9 o'clock hours coming around, so it might whipsaw back down, and 9 o'clock hits. There we go. 56. So we'll see how that would do. So shall see. I'll pause the video.